Round shape.
Now you apply that.
Now you apply.
Now you can take from here, no? Only a bit, and then you put here like that, and then you eat.
Talk.
A bit.
Top.
Top. You
Chew.
take that leaf.
Keep it safe. Safe. Acha se.
Whenever you eat kwai, you will be bang, ban kwai, ban ansam. Huh? Okay guys, so Meghalaya and Kumno Pilong. Yeah, I'm with one family here in Meghalaya. So yeah, you will get to know them definitely in another video. So today we are trying one of the famous stuff here by the name kwai, guys. So this is like the leaf. Betel, which leaf is this? From which tree?
That is tempau.
Tempau.
Yes.
Tempau leaf, guys. And this is the betel nut, right?
Yes.
Betel.
Betel nut.
Why?
Okay. Kwai. They call it kwai.
Why?
Okay. And we have one thing here which can make you go crazy. The white one, you see it? This white one. I can't wait to try it, man. I want to go crazy, man. Huh? Shun. The name is Shun. I think there is someone also called in Khasi Shun. Is there any name Shun? So what will you eat first?
First betel nut.
Yes.
First you chew the betel nut. Okay.
Should you take a bit this white one?
Zakaria,
Add that.
pray for me, Zakaria.
Now
Okay.
add. Now add. You take little
Only
should
little bit.
Little leaf.
No.
like the white one.
The white one. Shun.
You like this.
I take with the leaf or only small?
No, you take with the leaf, but then you take all that shun first with your hand. Take all.
Cut it a bit first.
A bit leaf.
No. Cut that white one
Okay.
from middle.
Okay.
No.
Wait,
See the
see,
tutorial.
This one, no? This one. You take like this. Only this portion of that shun you
Small.
take. Like this.
See.
Okay. Again.
Round shape.
Now you apply that.
Now you apply.
Now you can take from here, no? Only a bit, and then you put here like that, and then you eat.
Talk.
A bit.
Top.
Top.
Yeah.
Let it eat.
Fold and then eat.
You can swallow that. It's fine.
The
That is
water,
fine.
Only the water, not the betel nut. Only the water.
That water. Keep it side.
Bro, don't be funny.
I'm being honest, bro. Like,
Just swallow that. Why? Swallow only that water.
the water only.
Only the
Water fine?
Don't be funny because I will laugh and I'll end up spitting.
You can swallow the water. It's fine.
Okay, the water is gone. Right?
Yes. Now,
Now?
chew.
Eat. You
Chew.
take that leaf.
Keep it safe. Safe. Acha se.
Hindi rin.
No. Hold on. Until it becomes red. From white to red. Huh? Asa? See red now? No. Now chabao. Chew. No. How is it now? Crook again. You can.
Water, yeah.
You won't go crazy because you took little.
You want more than put in more.
Sabit lah.
First time, hindi man asibot.
Now you can talk.
Now it's normal.
Naglulay kasi ka.
Now I feel I'm like chewing the dry fish or dry beef.
Usau Khoi, huh? You're becoming that so fast.
Really?
Do like this? Ha.
How is it? After having food, you'll have this. Number one.
I think
the
it.
smell of that.
What's the benefit of it?
Because
There's no benefit.
No benefit. Then why do you eat it?
Because after eating, it get that smell of onions.
It's like the
and
Khasi
all.
chewing gums.
Yeah.
No, but some people told me that when you eat, you will feel warm if you eat with this.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you take more of that, then
Because here in Meghalaya we eat bitter nut because when we get cold we eat by this one only, so we
Okay.
get warm.
I think I'm satisfied now.
yes.
And one person told me that when you eat kwai, that biological is good. It helps in digestion, something like that, digestion of food.
No man.
I think that person was fooling me. He want to inspire me to be a kwai eater.
This tobacco ni.
It's like a tobacco only, but this is chewing gum of Khasi.
For how long you have to chew that?
Until it
Until
finishes.
you get all
To
finish it, and
Dissolve.
then some of them
Yes.
they chew it inside, some of them they threw it outside.
You crack.
Ew.
Ew.
Get me that leaf. Wow, that's nice experience, huh?
It's becoming hot this side.
I think this is scientifically, okay, let me give my point of view on what, I will give advantage of chewing kwai. Okay, since this thing take long time for you to chew it, right? You know, some people, they also, like those model, they want to have a good looking jaw. Do you know that? Right. Some people, they don't have nice jaw. So they will get advised by doctor that chew something, or they give them devices like that. So just keep imagining daily you chew that kwai, so it will form the shape of your jaw will look good. You look so handsome and sexy like that when you eat
bum
kwai.
handsome.
See that bum kwai,
Bum
Kwai ban handsome.
bum kwai
bun
ban
handsome.
handsome. Whenever you eat kwai, you will be ban kwai ban handsome. To, huh? To.
Surely it'll boom, bro.
To.
I am so sure.
Okay, that is very funny.
I am so sure, man.
Wow, that was. I'm feeling little bit of sweat, huh? Then that thing is now activating. The white thing, right? I think one day when I'm leaving Meghalaya, I will eat it like crazy. So I won't, but I'll just keep my phone live. Then you see whatever will happen with me. So thank you so much. This is the experience with kwai, guys. I'll give review other day. That's enough. Is there anything you want to tell me about this?
It's cool.
Cool, huh? Because it's still there, but I think it will take long for me to chew.
It's here also, no?
But I'm chew. You only have to chew it in one side, no?
You can
Your
chew
wish.
Both.
Your wish.
Oh, okay.
Which side you used to chew?
Okay, that is it. Kublai Shibon. Nahi Yapi. Meghalaya Shillong. Love you.